Hello, darling. Today we're going to make over a vintage purse with junk jewelry. I've been looking at my craft supplies lately and I have all this junk jewelry to use up. So I gave myself a challenge to use up as much jewelry as I can in this year, 2026. I started researching ideas to use up junk jewelry on Pinterest, and one idea that kept popping up was this sort of embellished purse. And I'll put some pictures here. So I saved lots of these photos for inspiration. I can't get enough of them. So let's get started using up some of this jewelry. Okay, so here's my disclaimer. I would never do this project on some pristine vintage purses. Both these purses have seen better days. This one's got all kinds of wear and tear. This one actually has staining on it. I don't know if you can see that, but they were basically headed to the landfill. Our challenge today is to make them into something awesome. So as I said, I'm working with two thrifted purses today. The first one I'm going to embellish is the suede purse. This purse has some fading, rough patches, and worn metal hardware. This second purse has a great shape and a really cool lucite handle, but the fabric is faded unevenly and it's lost its original color. Both purses are structurally sound, they're just cosmetically tired. That makes them great makeover material. So let's dump out our jewelry and take a look at it.
I must have done something good to deserve you. I'm not superstitious, it's just a suspicion, but I feel it in my bones. I feel it ever since the day we met. I just knew I must have done something good to deserve you. Perhaps I was the doctor saying it was lies and danger.
I begin by going through the jewelry and just picking out things that I like, things that match the colors that I'm looking for, and just things that I'm generally drawn to.
Oh yeah, I must have done something. Perhaps I was a pirate and I donated my treasure. Oh yeah, I must have done something. Or maybe I was kinda like rewinding all my videos. Oh yeah, I must have done something. Well anyway, I hope that you don't think that I'm delirious. Oh yeah, I must have.
With my printed images for inspiration, I go through the jewelry and start pulling out pieces that feel interesting together. Brooches, charms, rhinestones, textured bits. So before attaching anything, we have to remove all the pin backs and hardware and whatever's on the back of our jewelry. And so here I'm using pliers and wire cutters. The goal is to make each piece as flat as possible. The flatter pieces adhere better and will last longer. As you can see, this took a little bit of time to do, but I'm trying to be careful and not bend or break the jewelry. And this is what we end up with. And here's our little pile of discarded pin backs and earring backs. So now I'm doing the final layout. I've got my photos for reference and I'm just arranging the pieces in a way that I think is reminiscent of the photos, but also something that appeals to me. This part of the project can take a little bit of time. It's best to just take your time and try different things. You can use your phone to take photos as you go so that you can remember some of your designs. One good thing to remember is you want to put down your larger pieces first and figure out where you want those to go. Then you can just fill in the rest with your smaller pieces. So now I have my final layout. I take a photo of it with my phone so that I have some reference. And now we're going to get ready to glue. Okay, here's where I'm going to break in and talk about my first mistake. This glue, it worked okay, but I do not recommend it for this project. It is actually a tacky glue, which had I read the directions really thoroughly, I would have figured that out. So for this project, I recommend using your regular industrial strength glue, like E6000 or something like this. I also use this, it's called Goop. Both of these worked much better than this one. But that being said, you'll see me do the first purse with this glue. So I start gluing the larger pieces first because I know that those are the things that I want to make sure are in the right place. You do want to make sure you use a very strong permanent adhesive that is designed for mixed materials. I did think about using hot glue here, which might be okay temporarily, but I don't think it would be ideal for a wearable item that will be handled frequently. And you can choose to do this or not do this. I take off the rest of the pieces since I have a photo and I know where they're going. It makes it a little bit easier for me to adjust the layout as I go. And here I figured out that I needed to add some stuffing into the purse so that I had a more flat surface to glue on.
My mom to that old-time show. I asked her, please, mother, can I have a popsicle? She said, honey, you're a sweetie, you're my chocolate cake. I'll get you one later, we're gonna be late. Here's a cucumber shake. As the crowd started clapping, we were already out. And as the snack bar was closing, I was bursting into tears. She said, honey, you're a sweetie, you're my apple pie. I'll get you one later, don't be such a hater, try pickles on rye. I dream of treats, any kind of sweets. They make me feel so wonderful. So wonderful. Tell me what's the use having a sweet tooth? I need that candy now, now, now. We found our way home, we were worn down and beat. By the fridge stood my father, ice cream dripping down his cheeks. One said, honey, you're a sweetie, you're my sour cream. I'm tired, it's late, he's a kid, let her join you in. On your sweet midnight sugar rush frenzy, I'm wishing you both sweet dreams. I said, Mama, you're a
So here we are, it's the next day and all of the jewelry has dried. But as I'm looking at this, I see that there's one piece that has like a bunch of glue showing, and that is really starting to bug me. So just know that if there's something that doesn't quite look right, you can always try and fix it. I'm going to fix this one by taking off this original piece and then putting on another piece that's just slightly larger and covers all the glue.
Oh, my pretty baby. Oh, my sweetie baby. I just can't believe I'm yours.
Here I am starting the second purse. I'm using that E6000 glue. And for this one, I'm also using a lot of blue elements as well as the regular metal brooches and pins and things.
Every day I look at you and I think I must have done something good to deserve you. I'm not superstitious, it's just a suspicion, but I feel it in my bones. I feel it ever since the day we met. I just knew I must have done something good to deserve you. Perhaps I was a doctor saving people's lives in danger. Oh yeah, I must have done something. Perhaps I was a pirate and I donated my treasure. Oh yeah, I must have done something. Or maybe I was kinda low, rewinded all my videos. Oh yeah, I must have done something. Well anyway, I hope that you don't think that I'm delirious. Oh yeah, I must have done something. 'Cause baby, when we kiss, I feel that sort of bliss I didn't really think exists. I feel it, call it what you like, I don't really mind, as long as it's something good with you, baby. I must have done something good. I must have done something good. And even if you're skeptical, I must have done something, and you don't believe in karma, I must have done something. You must admit that it's a miracle. I must have done something that we have found each other. I must have done something. 'Cause while we have you, baby, I must have done something. You only get once in a lifetime.
And here are the finished purses, completely transformed. I'm always surprised how good some of these projects come out. I mean, yeah, I've had my share of dud projects, believe me, and I made plenty of mistakes on this one, but still, this is just, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. I love it. And then I made the other one, and I used the blue theme for this. Again, oh, so cute. These are basically wearable pieces of art. Best thing is we saved all this from the trash. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you take some time to do something creative for yourself. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
I must have done something good to deserve you. I'm not superstitious, it's just a suspicion, but I feel it in my bones. I feel it ever since the day we met. I just knew I must have done something